see if that recording. Yes, it's recording. Okay. Oh, hi. Thank you for watching this video. Basically, I was thinking of writing everything on the description. However, I think making this video, it's going to be very effective. So the goal of this project is about creating a web bot, a good one, not a bad one, a good one. So basically what I'm trying to do here, there are a couple of websites like these. There's few like these. So in these websites you will find lots of links that directing to different websites. Okay, so the idea is to go through this. I mean, if I were to go through one by one and see if these links have certain keywords, it's actually a nightmare. So, so the idea is to create a bot, is to follow this each and every link, and then it goes deep, 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 and then and then and then see if that every link that follow, if they come across certain keywords like these keywords, and then these web links. So that's the idea. Um, I was hoping to have it in a web base, so that I can go in and I can create a search, kind of like a job, and then keep a record on it. So the idea is I've done a little mock-up on a UI that I like to see it. So I'll just I'll give you a basic understanding. So as you can see, here is a links. You will find links right there. This is where you actually put the links, like this website. Just right there, this one, and then you put it there, and then you, on the right hand side, you put keywords. This keywords includes web links as well. So you put the web addresses and names and such, and hit the search button. So what the web bot should do, follow this each and every links. I mean, one link, go to this link, which, let's say this link, this has so many other links within it, and it has to go through each and every link with the um, it should go through each link and then see if it's find any of these keywords. So if the bot found any keywords, it will generate it will display like a result. So that's pretty much the basic idea. So once again, I'll repeat very quickly. So there will be a couple of websites like these where you have a lot of links, and then the web bot should follow each and every link. I'll show an example, right? So let's say Kin, let's say Enigma, right? So this particular project, so let's say the web bot follow this particular link and then goes to this page, obviously, and then let's say web bot followed this one right there, and then and lands here, and then from here the web bot will scan the web page, look for the keywords that matches keywords or links that match these certain keywords that we specify. Let's say that happens to be this person. So the web bot come across this the text and then matches, or the web bot found this link, for example this particular link. As you can see, this actually a link right there. See that the link is there. If the link is what we have actually fed into the system in right there here, and it will deliver, it will recognize, and then it will deliver as a result here. So for example, our keyword is, let's say this particular thing is a keyword, and it will appear here, and So it will appear here, and then the actual link will appear below. So that's the idea. So I've created a basic kind of like an outline, and there will be two or three challenges which I like to ask you and discuss with you about this, because um, I'm not sure what to do with it. I have some few maybe idea how to tackle that problem, but so I hope you get the basic idea. It's about following each and every links, and then the web bot will scan for keywords that's specified here. If found these any keywords, it displays in the results, right? So I hope you get the idea, and I'm gonna basically um, walk you through the UI, which is the user interface design. I like to keep the entire system, entire webbot in a web-based system, um, where you will have a domain name to our website or to a subdomain, or we host that particular program in some way, and then you'll have a username and password. Um, at this point, I'll like to say, if this become, if you think the web base is a big deal, we can have like a software, like a downloadable software for a Mac or a PC or something like that, like a software. But again, prefer having in a web base. So again, once again, you log into the system. Once you logged in, you will have this other search that you have actually conducted before. Again, when you logged in, you have the user. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, like log out, or like changing email and stuff like that. Here you create, when you click on it, um, it lands here. So when you click on it, it goes here, and as you can see here, you put the key list of the web addresses that the bot has to go through, and then these are the keywords. These keywords including web pages as well, like links as well. And when you click on a search, um, when you hit the search, if it's found any results, it will appear here. So the keyword on the top and the actual link bottom, and this bit, it's actually the results that you have actually generated in the past. So it should actually it should keep as a record each and every search results that we have created. Maybe by here view reports, or maybe click here, and then little pop-up appears saying delete or export this data into a CSV or stuff like that. So again, here these are the links that links is here, this information. So if you paste here, but by the way, this data you copy and paste here, so there will not be a limit here how much you can put it here, again here. So it's pasting information, copy and paste here. So this links, it's counting here how many links you paste, and then keywords, again how many keywords is pasted here, and then these are the found. So basically with this, going through these links, you know if it's, so the found is how many keywords is found, matches found here by the bot. um, so I'll discuss with you a couple of challenges that I think I might have it, even though I'm not a developer. So one thing, it's about basically having a website here, having a www, like a web page, web link. So this is obviously these are text. I'm not sure if having a web page, is it gonna be difficult matching this to. I don't think it's a big deal. It's just following a link, having a link. So I'm not too sure about that. So the other thing is right here, the second challenge, because like for example, take like here, like umbrella coin. Okay, when you if a bot follow this, okay, it goes to this page, and then there are a lot of links, as you can see. So none of these links is actually a matter except the website link. So I'm not sure how to do that. If we can maybe tell the bot, once you once the bot goes here, and then when the bot goes to the second layer, um, and then it just follow this website part. Maybe we can put a maybe a code to locate this website text, because it's a standard for each and every page. So if you go anywhere, if you click on any of that, is straight away this right there. I mean, just to save efficiency, but if it's not a big deal, we can let the bot to follow each and every link and see if that matches anything. Okay, maybe we can leave it like that. Maybe it goes through these articles and look for those information. And the third thing that I want to ask you, there shouldn't be any limit how deep the bot should scroll. I mean, obviously, if that direct to like Facebook, that doesn't make sense. I mean, you know, the bot shouldn't scroll the entire Facebook. That doesn't make sense. So um, I would say maybe we'll put some limitations, like not to follow Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Google, or Telegram group, or anything that is think that may can create some problems. That also include maybe down there in the page, like, you know, any of these ones within this website. All we need to follow is 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 basically what we need is that redirection. So we have to come up with a solution for that. My solution is maybe, you know, the obvious solution is when you click on this, it goes here, and then from there you have a two link, one here or one down there. Maybe if you can follow this directly, it goes directly to the website, because that's what we need. This is just like a directory. This particular website, like a directory, you have a list, and there's no way I could find here, go from here directly to their website, to the company website. So this is like a listing. This is the actual company. So the data that we are looking at right there, all the data is actually in this company page. So I'm not sure how to solve that problem. One one maybe one tip will be, maybe when the bot follows this to the next page, and without checking any of these links, follow only this, like maybe add a code to follow this website particular thing right there. And the other thing is, so this is just a one website. There is that's the problem, because when you go to this one, this is another website listing. As you can see, it's a listing right there. Right here you will find, when you click on here, let's see what happens. I think it does the same thing. Oh no, it goes directly, which is good. All right, so this particular website, obviously, it goes directly. Maybe we can put like a little code to avoid. Okay, maybe we can do this. So how about this? Okay, I can think of something. So if the bot, how about this? I think this will be a one example. So if the bot followed this particular link, and then if the bot land to the same web link, ignore everything in this page except um, except that coming from this particular name matches a word that relate to that. Um, maybe that might be a we can put into the code, but again there will be then this particular name will not be directly correlate with the link. So to be honest, I'm not sure, but I'm throwing out some of the logics maybe put into the code. But obviously we have to solve that problem somehow, because no point a web bot going through each and every links, because this website they won't connect directly from here to the company website. So that's the one of the challenge we have to overcome. My takeaway might be just to maybe follow only write a small script just to follow this website word with the link. That way the bot will directly goes to this page, to the actual company page, rather than going through this the deep black hole kind of thing, each and everything details. So yep, so that's pretty much it. So and I hope you have get a clear understanding about this project. And this is the UI. I will probably uploading this these information, the slides in a PDF. Yep. So just write to me if you can do this project, and let's discuss. Thank you.